ArmorShield Wonderglass, a space-age polymer coating that could save your possessions, even your life. This is ArmorShield Wonderglass.
Good evening.
A new type of safety glass may become a common feature in banks, hotels and other commercial buildings if its manufacturers prove its effectiveness. While ordinary glass shatters, the safety glass can withstand live bullets thanks to a polymer coating. The coating strengthens the glass, making it less likely to shatter in the event of robberies, accidents or fire.
Cameraman up.
Jalan Besar constituency will get its neighbourhood police posts next year. A senior officer of the C Division told SBC that awareness of residents to form neighbourhood watch schemes has contributed to a 20% drop in the number of crimes in the area. The Minister of State for Trade and Industry and Home Affairs, Dr. Lee Boon Yang, today launched the area's Neighbourhood Watch Scheme Coordinating Committee.
Singaporeans are doing more to help fight crime. Their growing support for the police was shown last year when the number of major preventable offences went down significantly. Opening the Neighbourhood Watch Leaders Convention, the Home Affairs Minister, Professor Jayakumar, said joining the watch is one way the public can help prevent crime. As part of the convention, an anti-crime exhibition and demonstration of police techniques at the World Trade Center will be opened to the public.
This is more than simply a piece of broken glass. It is a lethal missile. Imagine thousands of such jagged daggers falling out of the sky from the windows and mirrored surfaces of high-rise buildings during a hurricane or an earthquake. It could be a rain of death. Except for the safety that a thin sheet of plastic like this provides. It transforms ordinary glass into armored protection. This window is made out of standard quarter-inch plate glass and doesn't look any different than this one. The only difference is that this one has been covered on both sides with the protective plastic. And that makes a lot of difference. To prove that, it takes three things: a pair of gloves, protective goggles, and a baseball bat. I've wanted to do something like this since I was a kid. But don't you do it. And now, for the unprotected glass. Not much left of the window, but a lot of dangerous broken glass on the floor. And now, strike two at the protected glass. Shattered, but intact. Very few fragments. And if this bat were a hurricane or an earthquake, I think I'd feel safer behind or below windows made like this.
What you are seeing is actually a piece of ordinary glass, 6 mm thick, with one side coated with ArmorShield code number 1. The experiment is to show that the glass will not shatter into pieces after being thrown down from the second floor. From this angle, we can see that the ArmorShield coated glass is ready to be thrown from the second floor. After hitting the ground, the glass still remains and can be lifted in one piece. This is the power of ArmorShield code 1. As you can see, one can actually touch the surface of the glass. As vividly seen, it doesn't cut the hand because the ArmorShield is coated on this side.
For your information, a glass cutter can never ever cut carbon shield treatment glass. This is what you're going to see. Okay, it's going to create, and you can go all over now. But, you know, the stuff apart from the sun is the time factor. And still you will not be able. For instance, you've got a hole like this. Let's assume this is used in a jeweler store. Okay? If you've got a hole like this, there's definitely no possibility of him putting his hands in. You know, to have probably what you call it, a smash and grabs. Unless he's going to start getting all around. You see, all burglars work within a very, very short time limit, say 5 to 10 minutes. To break this piece 2 by 4, probably he needs 20 minutes. By then, probably the alarm would have been raised and the police will be there.
This test, which you'll see now, demonstrates the use of a standard welding torch at 6,000 degrees F. First the untreated glass. Okay, stop. That's about 3 seconds. Okay. This is the ArmorShield glass. Go ahead. At 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
Okay, the glass has not cracked and the glass has not fallen. At 6,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah. Okay, go through. Okay, all right, the glass has not broken. Okay.
shot already.
I'm scared of the glass splinter.
Right at the center.
Good. I'll give you another shot to see.
You try to shoot it up. Yeah, another shot and see. So this is just one side coated with our 8mm film. And you can see, if we do it two sides, it will be double protection.
Try another piece.
This is what we say about ArmorShield. We use a .38 at a close range of 9 meter, and both the shots, the bullet didn't get through. So we're going to use a pump gun now. Also at the same close range, that is 9 meter. Your hand. Let's count the... Yeah, it's all stuck inside. Maybe some...
Many bullets.
Your mouth here for this?
The test has been concluded, and this is again what we say about ArmorShield. It has proven itself again in such a tough test. Okay, in today's test we use two of the most powerful guns that is available. One is the .38, the other is the pump gun. Fired both at a close range of 9 meter, and both the test, the bullet did not penetrate through the armor-shielded glass, and we can conclude that armor-shielded glass, when coated with our 8mm film, which is the latest in the market, available in the market, will stop even a .38 pump gun. You know, if you can stop .38 and a pump gun, it can stop a .22 and even a .32 caliber. So the glass has been cut and it has been cracked. Definitely, as compared to a new piece of coated glass, is weaker in characteristic. But we are very confident that this glass will not shatter. Even with the present dynamite that we are going to use, there is 1 kilogram of the same dynamite, German-made special gelatin 80%. 1 kilogram. And this armor-shielded glass now is also marked with a red dot, whereas the ordinary piece of glass, a 6mm, the same thickness as the armor-shielded one, is on my right-hand side now, and we're going to have the blast, have the dynamite fixed up now. Well, you have seen for yourself what we say about ArmorShield. With a dynamite of 1 kilogram, what has happened to the two pieces of glass? You can see for yourself that the uncoated glass, the glass shards have flew as far as 30 to 40 feet away from the frame. What we are trying to say is that, assuming there is an explosion in a building, you're going to see a lot of these flying glass shards fly from the building as well as in the building itself, because glass, when during an explosion, will fly all directions, and these are the one that is causing all the casualties. An explosion of 1 kilogram of dynamite, at a distance of only 3 feet from the target. You can see for yourself that the armor-shielded glass will crack and is not going to hurt anybody, whether inside or outside.